Lovelies, how are you? Hope you're all okay. I've got Aimeili today, and it is Hema free, HPMA free and TPO free, their range. So even builder gels, like got builder base. So if allergies is something you want to avoid, then this is a good one to look at. Now these today are pearl glitter, no wipe top coat. So your numbers, set 6 means there's 6 in the set, and this is colour number 76. So these are from Amazon. So I'll put you the link to this particular set in the details. And that won't. No, that won't. Right, first time. So I'll get all these out. Now these are a top coat, and they change colour a little bit depending on what colour they're over. So that's why I've got a little black tip to use. Come out. That's easier, isn't it? I've got a couple of black tips to use, and I'm going to put, I've got this, pick this green out, and I'll do a builder base. So you can see what it's like just over a nice pink builder base. So I've got that. This is one of the older bottles. I've had it a while. This in, I got sets of 12, I think, at the time. 8mm. I've got loads of Aimeili to use. So let's have a look at the colours on clear first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I'll put them in order so I'll get them back in the right order. Ooh. So 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, ooh, now that's darker than I thought it was going to be. So this is a lilac or purple. Oh, wow. That's lovely. It's like, have you ever seen I don't know what they call it, like an Alfa Romeo car where the paint changes colour? There's a word for it and I can't remember what it's called. But it changes like pink to lilac. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my, these are nicer than they looked on the website. Well, on Amazon. Oh, I have to get me. I've got a non-slip thing. I still can't do it. Oh, that didn't want to come open in post, did it? This one is number 8. Gorgeous pink. Now the shift on that is to gold. Pink to gold. Oh, I've not had anything like this. Not with that shift. Wow. Okay, interested now. So this one's 009. Oh, another lilac-y one. So that one shifted to pink. Let's see what this one does. Gold. Lilac to gold. Feels very creamy. Look at the difference there, look. I hope you can see that shift like I can. There's a ridge on the edge of this. Better. Wow. I wasn't expecting that colour shift. So number 10. And green. Oh, favourite colour ever. And that shifts to gold as well. Wow, I bet the green comes out more on the black cover. You see it's changing colour. Wow. Okay, so number 11. Yellow. Now that doesn't, hang on, let me look a bit more. Doesn't seem to have a shift, it's just a yellow shimmer. Just a yellow shimmer, that one. So it says on the website to apply your base and then your colour, and then this is your top coat. So this one's number 12. Gold. Yeah, very creamy. You could even probably just do your base and then this as a top. That shifts from like a coffee beigey colour. Oh God, I really don't know how to describe that. To that gold. Okay. So I'll give them 60 seconds. I'm going to just cover a couple of these in this green. This is a lovely colour. This is number 297. I'm not quite sure what kit it would be in. But it's like a pistachio green. I wrote some bits on there, but I'm not bothered. So I'll do another coat of that on it, and we'll have a look at some on the black when we've looked at them separately. So here's all those colours. At one angle, those two look very, very much the same, but they're not, because you've got that different shift inside them. Oh, I think you can see on screen they are different. So that's them without any colour whatsoever underneath them. Yeah, so if you just want them over a base or your clear builder gel, that's what they would look like. Really pretty. You can see they've gone darker just doing on that white background, look. So I'll just do a second coat of this. So I'm going to do this with this. It's a fairly sheer pink, because it's a builder gel. So that's number 5. That brings more of that pink out. So that was the purple, but now it looks more pink over the black. So actually, let's not use that. Let's use the green. Yeah. Try this over black. Oh, look at that gold. Right, so the darker the colour, the more that background shift. The more the sort of glitter comes out of it. So let's try that green over the yellow. Sorry, the green over the pistachio green yellow. So now, because the background colour is more like the shift colour, this is coming out more with the green, with the frosting. This is definitely something to play with, this. And I'll try that purple over this pink. So it's just a Builder Gel pink. So if you've built the nails with your Builder Gel, you don't need to put any. I think that's my favourite. While they're in the lamp, I just want to try something else. I'm going to use this middle one, this number 9, over a black tip and see if we can do that frosting. You know, well, you know that like shimmer effect where you swizzle it about, because that's not a real word, but that's the word I'll use. So that has gone gold. Look at the difference. Goodness me, it's like a chameleon. So now, let's see if I can move this about and if I get that shimmer effect. Let it settle. So that's that one on black when you swizzle it about. So if you like painting ribbons or something, that would be nice. So you see all the different shadings in it. But this is how different they look. So I've got this one against the black. I think I've got these in the right order, but if not, at least you can see that the difference. So do you know what would be nice? If you paint your French in black and then paint the whole nail with this top coat, because your French bit's going to look slightly different. And the ones that change the most, that would look even better. So this is the number 9. So that one that looked pinky, well, lilac-y, and went to gold. And then that's over the pink gel. Wow. And then this one we did the 3, I think. I think we did. Don't scream at me if I'm wrong. But that's as it came out the bottle. That's on the green background. And then on the black background. Crikey. So you've got so many different colours in this lot. They're absolutely beautiful, and they are no wipe. Definitely no wipe, so gorgeous. Thank you very much, Aimeili, for sending me these through. I think they're absolutely stunning. Yeah, love them. HPMA, Hema free and TPO free, don't forget. So I'll put the link to this one that's on Amazon UK. If I can find it on .com, I'll put it on there as well. Yeah. And I think if I've got a discount code, can't think. Yeah, if I've got a discount code, I'll put that below for you as well. But I don't think I've got a discount code for Amazon, just for the website. So thank you for watching, everybody. Take care. Love you loads. Bye.